Welcome everyone. This video is here to show you how to use some parts of this training website. Right now the most important thing you're going to deal with is setting up a new folder to do your practice work in. And I will show you how that's done. So we're going to go to the link for session 1, left click, and here, right here it says session 1 practice. So you can see it's underlined because that's where the link is. We're going to left click. We're give it a minute to pull up. And here we have some choices. We want to either open with, that won't let us work on it. We're going to save the file. So click on the Save File button and OK. Now what we need to do, we need to create a location to put this. And the best place would be your desktop. So over here on the left, we have some different pictures. Desktop is what we want. We're going to left click on desktop. And now what we need is a new folder. So across the top here, it says create new folder. Left click, and this nice little box pops open. And we're not going to call it new folder. We want to call this, we're going to call ours Word Practice. Because that's what it is. It is the word practice. So we're going to left click on the white part of the screen. That will take away the box. To open up this file, we need to double click. So left click on it 2 times. Click, click. And there's our nice new file folder for word practice. So we're going to take, see right here, the session 1 practice is waiting for us. We're going to click on the save button. And it disappeared. What we're going to do, we're going to pull up our start. We're going to minimize this screen. And as you can see, right here is our word practice folder. We're going to double click, 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 and right there is our session 1 practice. Now for each of the sessions, you will have practice work. You will not need to create a new folder each time. What we're going to do, we're going to minimize. So we're going to get this little button here. Go back to our website, and we'll go to session 2. As you can see, there's session 2 practice. We'll left click, and see automatically it says save file. So we'll go OK. And it takes us right back to our word practice folder. That's where we want it. And if it's not there, you need to go find it on your desktop. You'll click on the desktop, you'll find the new folder, the word practice folder, and then you'll click save. And now you'll have your work in there. You can work on it, you can make changes, and then you will print it out. You do not need to do this for the assignments. Let me close this out. The assignments are just for you to, I'll pull this one up. We're going to open, because we don't need to actually do any work itself. See, this says read only. That means you can't make any changes to it. What you can do, you can either just read it, or you can print it out if you need to have it handy for you to work on. But there's something here you need to go fix. You need to, the assignment part is going to be your own work. The practice are practice examples I have made up for you to work on to test different skills that we learned in each session. But with the assignments, it's your own work, and each one will have a grading rubric. So you can figure out what you need to put in your assignment. But this shows you how to open up the practice folders. So after each session, there will be some practice. You will do the practice, you will save it, and then you'll have all the practice on your computer.